Hey friends, if you encounter the error with code 19, Windows cannot start this hardware device, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The second solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. And the last solution is to reinstall the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Let's say the issue is with the camera drivers. So right click on them and select uninstall and then select uninstall here and wait, the drivers are gone. Now click on action and scan for hardware changes and it will reinstall the driver to your system. As you can see, now the camera drivers are back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.